Pakistan is grappling with unprecedented floods that have displaced over 33 million people in the country. The heavy rainfall since mid-June has affected the normal life of the people in the country. Hundreds of villages in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province have been cut off by flood-swollen rivers washing away roads and bridges. Satellite images released by Maxar Technologies reveal the destruction brought by the deadly floods in Pakistan. The countrywide death toll had increased to 1,136 as on Monday, with over 1,634 people injured, according to the latest data issued by the National Disaster Management Authority. It is said that around 9,92,871 houses were totally or partially damaged, leaving millions without access to food, clear drinking water, and shelter. The cash-strapped Pakistani government has teamed up with the United Nations to issue a flash appeal for $160 million to deal with the disaster that has become the ground zero of global warming. Every province in the country has been affected, UN Chief Antonio Guterres said in a statement seeking help for Pakistan. Heartbreaking images have captured the rain fury in the country, which was already reeling under an economic crisis.
Subscribe to Oneindia channel and never miss an update.